Have you ever played a game that completely changed how you perceive its world? Today, we're diving into the enigmatic and challenging puzzle platformer Fez. Fez was one of the first games to introduce dimension-shifting puzzles since the early 90s. Players control Gomez, who discovers a red Fez that grants him the ability to rotate the world. These puzzles often require players to use pen and paper to solve them. The game's design invites all sorts of metaphors, blending gameplay with a rich plot. Gomez must rotate the entire universe to progress through levels. This ability transforms once confining worlds into free-roaming playgrounds, offering multiple perspectives and solutions. Fez's dimension shifting is not just a gimmick. It fundamentally changes how players interact with the environment. Each level challenges you to think in 4 dimensions. The game's innovative mechanics and challenging puzzles earned Fez enigmatic praise and awards soon after its release in April 2012. It finally came to iOS 5 years later. Fez's unique approach to puzzle solving and dimension shifting continues to captivate players, offering a rich gameplay experience that stands the test of time. Did you know Fez was one of the first games to introduce dimension-shifting puzzles? Share your thoughts and experiences with this game in the comments below.